Okay, so here's the deal. Today's video is going to be something you don't want to miss. I'm about to show you how I'm getting ready for a trip that's going to blow your mind. I'll take you behind the scenes of my packing process, share some last-minute tips, and, trust me, you'll want to stick around to see my vacation reveal at the end. No spoilers, but it's going to be. Stick with me, because the countdown to this trip is about to get real, and I'm sharing everything with you. Okay, so before I get too ahead of myself, let's rewind a little bit. First things first, you might be wondering, where am I going? Well, that's still a little secret, but I'll give you a few hints. Think warm weather, crystal clear waters, and lots of adventures. Sounds good, right? I've been planning this for months, and now it's finally time to pack and prep. But we all know getting ready for a vacation is never as easy as it sounds, right? Between the packing, the last-minute things to do, and making sure I don't forget anything, there's a lot going on. So, I thought it would be fun to bring you along with me for the ride and show you exactly how I get ready. From packing hacks to a sneak peek of my vacation outfits. Let's do this. Alright, let's start with the most important thing, packing. This is usually where things go from super excited to, oh my god, what am I doing? I always like to organize my clothes by outfits. This might seem like overkill, but it honestly saves so much time when I get there and I'm scrambling to find what to wear. I also try to pick a color scheme, so everything can mix and match. Pro tip: you only need about 5 to 6 outfits for a week-long trip. You don't need to overpack. Trust me on this one. Now let's talk toiletries. This is the part where I always end up forgetting something, so I've learned to keep a checklist. You know, the basics: shampoo, sunscreen, deodorant, but then there are the travel-sized extras I can't live without. I'm obsessed with this little bottle of dry shampoo. It's a game changer, especially on long flights. And, of course, the skincare routine is coming with me. No matter where I go, my skin comes first. Okay, so I have to share this with you. I'm so excited about one item that I'm bringing on this trip. But, I'm going to make you wait until later to see it. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's going to change the way you travel forever. Stay tuned. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm never going anywhere without my gadgets. And if you're anything like me, you need your phone, camera, headphones, and a bunch of chargers. This little guy right here is my lifeline. A portable charger that'll keep me going for days. I also have this tiny Bluetooth speaker for when I need to set the mood and some noise-canceling headphones for flights. Trust me, you don't want to hear the baby crying 2 rows behind you when you're trying to sleep. And yes, I'm also bringing a power bank that charges like 5 devices at once. Don't judge me. I'm that person who always needs to be plugged in. Next up, let's talk outfits. You know, the part where we all stress over what to wear because we want to look cute but also be comfy. Well, I've got you covered. I'm all about versatility. I like to bring pieces that are easy to mix and match. But, this time, there's one outfit that I'm really excited about. Want a hint? It involves a hat, sunglasses, and something sparkly. This outfit right here is my go-to. I'm on vacation, but I'm also a model. Look. It's comfy, cute, and perfect for beach days or a nice dinner out. So yeah, you'll be seeing this one on the gram for sure. Speaking of Instagram, don't forget to follow me on my socials so you can see all the behind-the-scenes fun while I'm traveling. I'll be posting all kinds of updates and sneak peeks, and trust me, you don't want to miss them. Okay, guys, I'm about to pack this little bag, and I'll let you in on a little secret. This is where I keep the best part of my packing. But, I'm going to let you guess what's inside. Leave your guesses in the comments below. You're going to want to know what's in here when you see it. Alright, the packing is almost done. I think I've got everything I need, and now I'm ready to tell you where I'm actually going. Drumroll, please. I'm going to Bali. Yup, that's right. Bali, Indonesia. Sunshine, beaches, amazing food, and unforgettable adventures. I seriously can't wait to share everything with you guys. It's going to be an epic trip, and I'm bringing you all along with me. Okay, I think that's all for today's Get Ready for Vacation vlog. I hope you're as excited as I am for this trip, and I can't wait to show you everything once I get there. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the upcoming travel vlogs. And, of course, leave a comment down below letting me know where you would love to go on your dream vacation. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one, and wish me luck as I head off to Bali. Bye.